As the sun rises, we begin another day, ensuring the freshest bananas reach your table.
All right, everything looks good. Head on over to the main dock.
Looking good. Keep them coming.
All right, next one is ready to go.
Watch your step. Coming through.
Shipment 7B arriving at Dock 2. Prepare for offloading.
Make sure the scanner catches that spot. Got it. This one is perfect for shipment.
The fresh produce moves swiftly along the sanitized lines toward the high-pressure wash. Ensure all belts are clear. Tillings. Here at the facility, fresh bananas enter our state-of-the-art washing system. Crystal clear purified water cascades over the fruit as The synchronized movement ensures peak efficiency as the high-speed fans remove all surface moisture.
All units, optical scan complete on line 4. Preparing for automated distribution.
Analyzing item. Classification, ripe yellow. Diverting to production line 3. Scanning next item.
As the bananas move along the line, advanced sensors identify the premium grade, smoothly diverting the rest to alternative production streams.
Looks good. Keep the line moving.
Agreed. The quality is excellent today.
Our premium bananas are carefully selected and sliced with precision for optimal freshness.
Check the alignment on feeder B.
It looks good from here. Calibration is holding steady.
The synchronization ensures perfect dehydration, preserving the vibrant color and flavor.
As you can see, the airflow causes the cellular structure to break down, resulting in this mesmerizing wrinkling effect.
Temperature stabilized at 6 to 8 degrees Celsius. Conveyor speed remains optimal. Moisture levels are exactly within tolerance.
Confirmed. We are cleared for the next stage.
Dehydration cycle complete. Proceeding to cooling system 2. Anomaly detected. Quality parameter deviation confirmed. Ejecting unit.
The system efficiently tracks and sorts the slices. Approved pieces are directed to the bins, while a precise
The process ensures a perfect coat of our signature natural flavor. Here we see the gentle tumbling process, ensuring every slice is perfectly coated. Through our precise coating process, every slice achieves a consistent golden texture, ensuring peak freshness and flavor. All units verified. Net weight 250 grams.
Automated precision ensures every premium pouch is flawlessly filled and sealed.
Line 4 is exceeding targets for the morning shift. Keep up the good work.
Only the finest golden brown banana slices make it into our pouches, sealed fresh for your enjoyment.
Attention all personnel. Shift change is scheduled for 1800 hours. Please ensure all lines are running efficiently until then.
The perfect seal for our premium selection, ensuring freshness every time.
Leak detection system engaged. Rejecting non-compliant package. Pass.
Once approved, the robotic arms rapidly move the packages to the branding conveyor for immediate labeling. With millimeter precision, our high-speed applicators place your premium branding onto every package, ensuring perfection at scale.
Printing sequence complete. Batch confirmed. Moving to next stage. Line 3. Increase speed by 10%. All units maintain current production levels. Scanning sequence active. All units compliant. Barcode verified. Routing to Station 4.
The synchronization of the robotic arms allows us to process thousands of packages an hour, minimizing errors and maximizing output.
Precision packaging ensures peak freshness for every banana. All products meeting the premium weight standard.
We are hitting record numbers today.
The premium line is really moving fast.
The scanners are processing at peak efficiency today. We should hit the target ahead of schedule.
Palletizing sequence active. All systems green. Please monitor safety zone access.
Precision handling for our premium selection. Delivering perfection continuously.
Attention all operators. Inbound shipment 47B is clear for immediate storage on level 5.
System status nominal. Premium banana product inventory at 98% capacity.
Attention. Pallet transfer commencing on level 3. Please ensure clear pathways. Thank you.
Check the expiration date on this one.
It's clear. The fruit inside looks perfect too.
All right, approved for shipment.
Make sure lot 34B is loaded first. Copy that. Heading to Bay 4 now.
How many pallets left for the Miami shipment?
Just this one, heading out now. Wrap the strap right there. Okay, I got it. Make sure it's tight.
The premium harvest, perfectly preserved for transit. Maintaining the cold chain ensures the highest quality.
Security seal confirmed. Final check complete.
Excellent. The shipment is ready.
Make sure the temperature is set correctly for the premium bananas.
Confirmed. Driver is ready to roll.
Everything looks aligned for the premium shipment.
Confirmed. The southern route is clear, ETA monitored.
From the heart of the plantation, our premium bananas travel smoothly under the golden sun.
Day and night, This dedicated convoy travels the nation's highways, bringing the taste of the tropics to every center.
With precision and care, the freshest bananas arrive, ready for distribution across the region.
Keep it coming, easy now. Pallets 4 and 5 go to inspection first. And watch the clearance on that pallet.
As the sun sets on another day, the finest bananas begin their journey to you.